we have to have this activated, the serial number, so it's very important that we have to record the serial number.
Oh, I know. Set 'em up and yeah.
This is the antenna resection, so make sure that it's exposed.
I had one little tuber who clearly has a behavior problem. I'm trying to settle down. Just have to be aware of the fact that he's gonna be able to do this differently. He's not gonna turn into a loose. 6 or 8 tries before he stops sticking his hand in the water. Yeah, but finally figured him out. Just I'm gonna hunker down and just look at the critter. Really taking part in anything else. Fine. Hunkering down and looking at what.
Then we just have to simply connect the power.
Was this a little blonde guy?
Yes.
Yeah, because I saw it.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Saw the teacher kind of pull aside before they went in the building.
Yeah, he was a handful already. The nice part about this gig is you don't have to put him up for like an hour. You can get that bugs. How much trouble they for.
Yeah.
I would not be a good professional folk math teacher. I would be. I'm not even good. Part of
Then test.
Well, that's special stuff. Okay, I'm gonna